Hello friends, I would like to tell about alcohol and coronavirus. First one, I discuss alcohol. So please listen to me and concentrate it. It is a very important property of alcohol. I want to say that. Please listen to me. The alcohol is remove, stop or dissolve the virus or bacteria or germs in upper part of the body. Please concentrate it. Upper part of the body, not internal part of the body. Not internal part of the body. Alcohol's natural property is to remove, dissolve, or stop the virus or bacteria or germs upper part of the body, not internal part of the body. Okay, it is a very important property of alcohol. So when we can take or we can take alcohol internal part of the body, then what phenomenon to create internal part of the body? So I want to say that phenomenon create internal part of the body. I want to say with figure. Please concentrate the diagram in blank page. Please concentrate it. It is a head. It is a head. It is a head. It is a neck. It is a neck and please concentrate it. It is head of human body. It is neck. It is food pipe. Food pipe and it is windpipe. Windpipe. Okay. Head, neck, food pipe, windpipe. It is stomach. It is lungs. Okay. So when enter the sarab or alcohol internal part of the body, then sarab see the two base, see the two base like stomach or lungs, two ways. Then the decided is sarab to go food pipe and enter the stomach, enter the stomach. Okay, the sarab is not not come not come to windpipe and lungs, not come, because windpipe is used for enter the oxygen and outlet of the carbon dioxide. It is a very important useful. It is a very important use of windpipe to enter the oxygen and outlet the carbon dioxide. So the alcohol is not enter the windpipe and that's enter the food pipe and come to stomach. But do you know, friends, do you know the coronavirus is attacked? The coronavirus is attacked or 1 minute. Okay. Coronavirus is attacked the windpipe or lungs pipe or trachea and come to the lungs. Okay, come to the lungs. Please concentrate it. The coronavirus is attack the windpipe and lungs. If coronavirus is entered the food pipe and come to the lungs, then coronavirus will be not affected of the body, human body, not affected, because do you understand? Because the stomach the stomach is secret. The stomach is secret. The very dangerous, very dangerous, very dangerous, very dangerous HCl, very dangerous HCl acid, and the HCl function to dissolve or destroy or stop the virus or bacteria or germs. Virus or bacteria or germs. Okay, so coronavirus is entered the food pipe and come to the stomach, then HCl secrete the stomach and dissolve, stop or totally end can done the coronavirus. But coronavirus is not entered the food pipe, that is entered the windpipe, that is entered the windpipe and come to the lungs. So alcohol is not affect internal part of the body because alcohol entered the food pipe of the stomach and coronavirus has entered the windpipe or lungs of the body. So coronavirus is not dissolved from alcohol because alcohol is come to food pipe and viruses come to lungs pipe or windpipe, that is called trachea. So we can say alcohol is not affect the internal part of the body because alcohol comes food pipe from neck to stomach and the viruses come to windpipe and go to lungs. Then uh, coronavirus is very affected to lungs and near this areas very affected. So we can say alcohol dissolve or stop or remove the virus plain surface or external part of the body, not internal part of the body, because the reason is coronavirus enter the neck from enter the lungs from neck. Okay, so coronavirus is not dissolve the alcohol. So friends, thank you.